Hello, magandang araw na naman po sa inyong lahat. Bago kong umpisahan yung topic natin for today, which is how to appreciate art even though you are not an artist. Gusto ko munang magpasalamat sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe. Remember the last time po na nag-video ako ay zero po talaga yung aking subscriber. But now, 36 na po sila. So, sana po dumami pa ng dumami yung mga subscribers para masaya po si Maestro. Okay? So, let's start. Kasi may mga friends ako nagsasabi sila, paano kami mag-appreciate ng art? We're not artists. So, paano ba talaga, what are the ways para ma-appreciate namin ang art? So, painting for example, there are paintings na sometimes you don't understand what it means. Like, ayun, pag tingin mo pa lang, hindi mo na maintindihan what the artist would want to convey for the viewers, katulad nito. At meron din namang mga paintings na unang tingin mo pa lang gusto mo na parang it's something that you really like. It seems like you know what the artist really want to say when he did the painting, at parang ang meron ka pang emotional attachment eh. So sa totoo lang, there is no right or wrong when it comes to art. So, paano ba talaga tayo matututong mag-appreciate ng art kung hindi naman tayo artist? Number one is learn about art a little bit every day. Like kahit 5 minutes lang in a day, pag-aralan mo yung sculpture. Di naman mahirap maghanap ng mga artwork sa paligid natin. Katulad, for example, ng mga monumento, mga statues, and things like that. For example, yung sa Balintawak, yung kay Bonifacio. Ang pagkakalam ko ay dinesign to ni ano nga ba pangalan ng artist na yan? Basta isa siyang national artist. Guillermo Tolentino, I think. Matagal na itong ginawa, mga 19, even before the war. At doon pa lang makikita mo na meron ka nang mapapag-aralan about it. Or sa painting, for example, try to look at the paintings of Picasso. Sa local artist, ang favorite ko ay si Ang Kyokok and Manansala. Tingnan nyo lang kung ano yung mga buhay-buhay nila noon at paano sila nagawa ng art. We can also go to photography at marami pang iba. So, hindi mo na malayan, you invested already about 30 hours of your time learning about art. So, simple lang, di ba? Hindi naman mahirap. Just 5 minutes of your day. There are times nga ako talagang inuumaga ako. Hindi ko namamalayan na umaga na pala. Sa dami ng mga information na pwede mong matutunan para lalo mong ma-appreciate ang art. Number 2, try an art project. Ito, maganda to. Mag-isip ka ng subject. Ano ba yung subject? Ano yung gagawin mong art? Like, ano yung topic mo? Gusto mo bang gumawa ng still life? Still life, ang ibig sabihin nito ay maglalagay ka ng mga objects dyan sa table and you will try to copy it. Usually, fruits, ganyan ginagawa nila, or iba-iba pa. Or scenery, pwede din yung gagawa ka ng mga mountain ranges, beaches, ano pa ba yung mga common woods, at marami pang iba. Pwede ka ring mag-try ng portrait. Wala namang mahirap kung gusto mong i-try. And then next is what kind of medium ang gusto mo namang gamitin. So you can use watercolor, Di ba nung araw, meron tayong watercolor na nakalagay sa parang yellow rectangular na ganito. And Crayola, acrylic, oil, whatever is available in your house, you can try it. And it might not turn out, or it might turn out terribly, but don't worry, hindi naman yun yung uh, the purpose or the point of this exercise, but the experience of it while you are doing it, na hindi siya madali. And maybe by doing that, you will appreciate more art. You will appreciate how the artist made the artwork. So, hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Now talagang titingnan ko to at nanamnamin ko tong artwork na to dahil hindi talaga madali. So, okay lang yun, di ba? So, and also, the purpose also is what it takes for you to do something based on your imagination. So, ito yung naisip mo. So, ganun pala siya. Hindi pala siya madali. So, maisip mo yung mga artist nag-iisip sila muna of the subject, the medium, is it going to be a rough, a smooth surface, and things like that. Okay ba yun? The third would be taking a class or a workshop, like a paint night, for example. Kung workshop naman, katulad ng mga workshop na kinakanda ko po, like tomorrow we're going to have, as you can see, yung life as I see it. It's a different type of workshop wherein attendees can have their own colors, own subjects. So may freedom sila na mamili ng favorite colors nila. So you can try that and experience the fun so that ma-feel nyo rin like how an artist feels whenever he came up with an artwork. So, ganun palang pakiramdam. Ang saya pala pag nakatapos tayo ng isang artwork. Number 4 would be explore the internet. You can go to YouTube or Facebook and learn a lot. Like, you can look for artists, go to their studio tour. Meron po akong isang studio tour. And by doing that, you will learn something about the artist. Like, ano ba yung ginagawa nila and paano ba sila nag-umpisa dito sa pagpipaint. And number 5 is try to analyze one painting. Like, who made it? When did he made it? What are the materials being used? What's the medium na ginamit? At pakiramdaman nyo, do you feel something while looking at the artwork? So, ganun lang po. You need to try to analyze a painting. Many times ko itong ginagawa. Mag-open ako ng isang Michelangelo artwork at titignan ko yung kulay, yung figure, bakit niya ginawa ito, bakit ang ilaw ay nandito, and things like that. So, those are the 5 things that you need to know kung gusto mong mag-appreciate ng artwork even though you are not an artist. Reminder lang that you should accept that you will not understand everything or learn everything about art. But what important is that your feelings, your perception. Pwede ka namang magkaroon ng sarili mong perception. Like, etong pagkakaintindi ko sa artwork na to at walang pwedeng kumontra. And you know why? Because there is no right or wrong in terms of art. So hanggang dito lang po muna and sana ay mag-start na kayong magtingin ng mga artwork and try to appreciate it. And then sa dulo nung video na to, I will put some of my artwork and pwede nyong pag-practicean. And maraming salamat. Please subscribe to my channel. Sana yung 36 ay maging 100 na in the next week. So, thank you very much and have a nice time.